So today I'm going to be doing my top box, but it's a little bit different of a twist. So I also purchased a top box mystery box. There is obviously some question marks on here. So this is a mystery box. And so we'll do an unboxing of my top box and see what's in this fun mystery box. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. If you guys are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you gain all the notifications of my upcoming videos so you can get all my lovely unboxings. So let's talk a little bit about this mystery box. So this is a box that I got a notification saying, hey, we're doing a mystery box. Would you like to buy one? And I thought, well, I've been kind of dodging them and saying no for a while. I do know that a lot of times in these mystery boxes, you're getting full price or full sized hair products. A lot of them I've seen because I follow their Instagram. So a lot of times the mystery box happens to be hair products, which I do not need. So then I was like, well, no. And a lot of times too, it's not hair products that I would actually use. So I was very kind of hesitant about doing that. But, you know, I decided I was going to give it a go this time. So let's start off with my November top box first. This one's obviously a lot lighter. I can like jingle jangle this one and nothing really moves around in this one. So, oh, also, you're not seeing a tag on any of these because they actually came in a box together. So it was like a brown box. Just as a heads up, if you guys are ever thinking of buying them or buying that. Obviously, a little bit of a backstory. Top box is Canadian, and I think you can only buy it if you're Canadian. So I don't think they usually ship out to the States. I could be wrong. I've never really tried to have it sent to me in the States because I'm not there. But I'm pretty sure it's like a cheaper version of Ipsy, but Canadian. All right, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the... Whoop. All these are flying everywhere. Let's just jump into whatever is in this box. Okay, so first off, I am seeing something that I definitely know about. So this is the Wella Color Motion Structure Mask, and this is a hair mask. It says to leave it on for 5 minutes. I'm telling you right now, I never leave masks on for 5 minutes. I leave them on for, I'm gonna not lie and tell you that I leave them on for like 10 minutes. No, I literally will sit with a mask on my hair watching some Disney or Hallmark movie or some 90 Day Fiance and let it sit in my hair while I'm doing some crafting things, while I'm doing housework. I am telling you, as long as it doesn't have any proteins in it, like keratin and like extreme proteins for your hair, I will let it sit all day. All right, so there are 3 more items left in here, and I will open up this one first. And this is from Hikira, I think it's called. That's the name. If I am butchering the name, I am sorry. I am literally the worst pronouncer of like names that are not super English. Yeah. Yep. I have problems. Okay, so it's obviously wrapped in this like plasticky thing. And to be perfectly honest, I can see the color through here. And this is called Tender Heart, and it is a metallic lip gloss. So there's that. Obviously, it's been sitting around a little bit. You can see by the fact that it's already separated here. I don't know if my camera's going to pick that up. You can see right there that it's separating. So it's obviously been sitting a little while. I'm not actually even going to open this. I'm going to give it to one of my coworkers or friends or somebody. I don't use lip gloss very often, and the few selective ones that I do use, I don't use as often anymore because of, you know, wearing a mask all day. So I'm just going to get rid of this. So, but it's not because I don't like it. Honestly, that would probably be a color I would keep, but I don't need any more lipsticks. Okay, in here is this is the Benefit Love Tint, and this, I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is a fiery red tinted lip and cheek stain. Oh, it's one of their liquid cheek and lip things. There apparently is a new applicator, it says. So this is what it comes in. I have never used one of these. This is very bright. I am not gonna lie. This is like the color of my red. This is like Christmas tree color. That is some red. That is red. Like what the? Okay, it's not so bad when you blend the crap out of it. That I can't even imagine wearing that as a blush. Well, at least it's a small sample. This is 2.0 grams, milliliters. So that's actually not bad for, like, because I don't know how much, unless I loved it. I do know that there are people out there that super duper love these. I have a friend that really loves them, so maybe I'll give it a try. Maybe not right this minute, though. Cake product in here. I have never seen this before. So this is the Cake Microneedle Spot Dots. They're Rapid Blemish Relief Invisible Delivery System. Total to Die For Overnight Spot Solution. Oh, are these like, so there's 9 in here. So I wonder if this is a lot like those drying lotions. So this is what they look like here. So I guess you just put the patch on like a zit and hope it goes away. And then, of course, this is what was jingling around because you need one of those packages in there to keep them safe. That's actually really cool. I am not going to lie. I've actually wanted to try. There's another brand. It's a Korean brand that I wanted to try. I didn't realize Cake made them. So I've been using a drying lotion instead. And they don't like go away as fast as I would like them to go away. So maybe if this works as well as I hope it does, I will for sure be purchasing some more. So that was everything in this month's top box. Now let's jump into the mystery box. Okay, so I have a feeling this is probably, oh, there we go. Probably going to be a lot of sample sizes. Let me show you what it looks like. This is your sneak peek. Let's, oh, there's something coming out of here. Ooh, okay, what does this say? It says, "Hey, gorgeous. We hope you enjoy this mystery box filled with our best hits from 2019. It's nearly the end of 2020, but okay, you do you. Okay. If you like this box, please feel free to email us." Okay, I'm gonna put the price on the screen of this mystery box. I think I paid like $24 for it, tax and stuff. I can't remember, honestly. So let's just dive right into some stuff. So this is obviously stuff that I think I've received before, and I am seeing one full-size product in here, but we'll see what that is. So this is the Derma Hydro Solution Micellar Water, I think. So I do have one of these. These are great because if you go away for a couple of weeks on a vacation, this is perfect sizing. So I'm not mad at that. Let's take a look at this. This is the Purelise Coconut Oil and Cranberry Silk Body Butter. So this is a body cream. I'm not really a fan of body creams and hand creams. I love Purelise, but at this point I've gotten so many creams in Top Boxes, BoxyCharms that I'm literally up to here with cream, but I don't really hate it. Also, this smells really nice. Oh, this is the Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy. This is the Whipped Cleansing Cream. I have received this, obviously. I've also received a big version of this in my BoxyCharm not very long ago. I have a lot of these. I have a lot of face creams at this point, but I don't hate it. Honestly, it's not something that I'm going to complain about right now. This face wash is very expensive if you get really good stuff, and to be perfectly honest, I wash my face a lot more recently because of wearing a mask for work. So now up next is this here, and this is no surprise to me at all. This professional, itty bitty, tiny little, this is the 3 milliliters of primer. So no surprise that this was in this box, but I have used this a bit and I do like it, so I'm not upset. I have so many of these little ones that it seems like a waste of packaging, honestly. Like, it's so much packaging for such a little thing. And then, of course, there is this. Okay, so that was a loaded not happy. Okay, I have had so many of these. This is the Nude by Nature primer and perfecting primer. I have one in my 2020 project, and I also have a few extra ones. I have used them. They're nice. I just kind of sick of having them. I would like them to send me maybe another one. But that's 2 primers already. Now, let's look at this. Okay, so this is obviously a full-sized product, and this is the charcoal peel-off face mask. This is 3 applications. So it's in that, like, little squeezy tube. Obviously, we all know what a charcoal mask is. Oh, Skin Republic. So that is that. So because I already have so many face masks, I probably won't keep this, only because I'm not really the biggest fan of the charcoal ones. But to be perfectly honest, I'm not really very fond of pulling things off of my face either. I do prefer like the sheet masks, but this is a really good thing to have in this box. 4 more items, and this is the surprise, surprise. No, not really. This is the Dulce Ultra eyeliner in, well, black. I'm not keeping this. I didn't even think I have any more of these. I don't. It's just the kohl liner. Give it to my sister. She'll use it. I won't. There is what appears to be a lipstick in here. And I know I just rolled my eyes, but I guess lipsticks are normal in these kind of boxes. I don't personally love getting lipsticks anymore, but this is the Manicator, I think it's called. This is what this is. So this is called a Lip Locked Priming Lipstick. That is the color of it. I'm not going to swatch it. This is in Aurora, I think it's called. This is the packaging. I kind of like the fact that it's a color there. I'm not keeping it. I don't need any more lipsticks, and that is too late for me. Estate Do Me Baked Powder Highlighter. Highlight powder? Okay. This looks like something I already own. Actually, in fact, I'm pretty sure I have this. This is in Pearl. This is what it looks like. I'm not swatching it because I'm pretty sure I already own this. It's all right. I'll give it to somebody. And the last thing in here, which is a full-size product, is the Matrix Texture Builder Messy Finishing Finishing Spray. Like I said, I don't particularly love getting hair products in these boxes due to the fact that I'm a hairdresser and I have a bazillion products already. But this is got a 3 hold, and this is actually something that I will probably try. I have a bit of problem with dry shampoo and hairsprays. My skin does not like them very much. So this might be the same situation, considering it's an aerosol. I don't know. Let's smell it. Yeah, it smells like Matrix. I love Matrix smells. I love the way Matrix smells. Okay. Let's see. It's not tacky or anything, so that's nice. That feels really good. There's no weird, like, I can tell the difference that there's something on my hand, but it's not tacky. It's not like, it doesn't bother my hand at all. It just kind of sits on top of it, which is nice. I don't know. I can't even feel the texture on my hand. Obviously, it's not for your hands, but I'm actually going to use this and see what I think about it. All right. Well, that was everything for my top box in November and my mystery top box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've ever gotten a mystery top box, let me know in the comments below if you actually enjoyed it or not. Honestly, that didn't really, I don't think I'll probably ever get another one just because I wasn't like the super fan of this one, but that's okay. I also, like, let's be honest, I also get boxy charms, so it's really hard to compete with that sometimes. I figured it would be a fun video though. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!